What's the meaning of cobalt blue? Cobalt blue. Cobalt blue.
Cobalt blue. Cobalt blue. Cobalt blue is a deep, rich shade of blue that is named after the metallic element cobalt. It is created by mixing cobalt oxide with other ingredients and then firing it in a kiln. The resulting color is highly pigmented and opaque, with a slight violet or purple undertone. Cobalt blue has been used for centuries in art, ceramics, and glassware due to its intense color and durability. In fashion and home decor, it is typically used as an accent color to add depth and richness to a design scheme.